Ammo boys here. We're out here looking at these ammo prices at this gun show here in where the hell are we today? Ogden, Utah. Checking these ammo prices. What you got here? You got some sluggers, 2 3/4, 75. We got some 44 mag hollows. What is that? 17 rounds. Looks like 50 bucks. 50 rounds of 9mm in a bag, like a crack sack. 65 fucking dollars, dog. 50 rounds right here. Them are those black tips. $60. 10 mil. 50 rounds new. $100. Stay posted. We're gonna keep showing you these prices. Ammo in 2021 gonna be like, just like you see it right there. That's your dealer. Please like and subscribe.